Will my hoodie shrink if I put it in the dryer?
Hey there, hoodie lovers! We're all familiar with the sinking feeling when we pull our favorite hoodie out of the dryer only to find it's a few sizes too small. So today, we're going to explore the answer to a burning question. Will my hoodie shrink if I put it in the dryer?
Understanding shrinkage.
First off, let's get a grip on why clothes, including hoodies, tend to shrink when exposed to heat. The main reason your hoodie might shrink in the dryer is due to the heat and agitation of the drying process. Clothes are woven from fibers, and these fibers have a natural length. When they're heated and moved around in the dryer, they tend to return to their original, shorter length, which results in shrinkage. Materials like cotton and wool are especially prone to shrinking, as they have more elasticity and can be more dramatically affected by heat.
What's your hoodie made of?
The chances of your hoodie shrinking in the dryer will largely depend on what it's made from. Cotton hoodies, for example, are particularly prone to shrinkage. That's because cotton fibers tighten up when exposed to heat, reducing the overall size of the garment. On the other hand, synthetic materials like polyester are more resistant to heat and less likely to shrink.
Can I prevent shrinkage?
Absolutely. It is possible to reduce the risk of your hoodie shrinking. One simple way is to let it air dry instead of using a dryer. This allows the fibers to relax and maintain their shape. If you must use a dryer, consider using a lower heat setting or a tumble dry option, which uses less heat and decreases the chances of shrinkage. It's also a good idea to read and follow the care instructions on your hoodie's label. These guidelines are specifically designed to help you keep the garment in the best possible condition. So there you have it. Yes, your hoodie can indeed shrink if you put it in the dryer, especially if it's made of a material like cotton. But by air drying your hoodie or using a lower heat setting on your dryer, you can help prevent this. We hope this has been helpful, and that your hoodies stay cozy and perfectly sized. Happy Laundry Day!